Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all well. After a long time, I am back with another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to make this awesome creative card with only HTML and CSS. Now who are watching my tutorial, thanks to you. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe now, or if you subscribed, thank you very much. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. I took some images for this project. Here you can see. Now open the project folder in text editor. Earlier I have created a HTML and CSS file for this project. Now link up the CSS file with HTML file. Inside CSS file I have taken a Google font link which is Poppins. Now take a section with class name main. Inside this section take a div with class name inner main. Now take a heading tag just like me and type your heading. Now for second part of heading take a span tag and class name it sec_part_txt. Now take a p tag and type some paragraph. Now take a div named box. Now inside this div take another two div and name it respectively lbox and rbox. Now take a div with class name clear for float error clear fix. Now inside lbox take a paragraph with p tag. Also take an anchor tag for make a clickable button, named it buy now. Inside rbox take 3 img tag and take those 3 images I showed you earlier and class name those respectively img1, img2 and img3. Now save this and open in a browser and see what we have done. Now come to CSS file and let's start customizing design. Now follow me what I am doing. Make everything's margin 0 and padding 0. Now do same thing with body tag. Now make the font family Poppins with the sans serif. Now target main class and make width 100%. Now target inner main class and style this class just like me. For easy working purpose I am closing img text, later I will turn it on. Now you can see our style is affecting. Make the align items left for better looking. Now target the h1 tag inside inner main and style it like me. Now target p tag. Now target second part text of heading and style it. Now target clear class for clear fixing float error. You can remember it inside HTML. Inside box class target lbox and style it just like me. Target paragraph tag inside lbox and style it. Oops, I forgot to style the box tag inside inner main. Style this just like me. Now target anchor tag inside L box and style it. Now in browser refresh it and see the style. Now create a before content for anchor tag and style it just like me. Now refresh it in browser. Now create box class hover effect for this before content or for this anchor tag. Now for this anchor tag too. Now inside box target R box and style it just like me. Now create a before content for R box and style it just like this. Now target img1 class inside R box and style it like this. Images are not showing because we had stopped that in HTML. Now we will turn on all the images. Now they are showing weird, but we have to adjust them in CSS. Now create a box class hover effect for img1 class and style it just like me. Now for img2 class, I am copying it from img1 class and modifying it. Follow me what I am doing. Now same for img3 class also. Now refresh it here. Cool, we have successfully completed our project. So thanks for watching this long. Who are watching this tutorial till this end, please like our video if you learned something from our tutorial and share it with your friends. If you have any question for our tutorial, then comment down below, or you can join our Discord community. I will give the project link and the social link in the description. Thank you.